Hello internet and good morning. I literally just woke up. I haven't even brushed my hair yet, but this is normally how my hair looks after I shower and go to bed. A little crazy, I know, but today I'm so excited because I'm getting ready for my college orientation. So without further ado, let's jump into this video of me getting ready for it. And if you see me eating pizza, it's because it's 11 p.m. and I have just woke up and I'm not eating anything. So first I'm going to start out with my hair. So I am just going to brush my hair out and then I'm going to divide it into layers and then I'm going to curl it with a straightening iron, which I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So here I have my first layer. I do my, I guess you could call it under the ears. So I just take my ears and I drag back and then up. And so then I have my first layer of hair. And my hair looks like trash today, but that's because I used my purple shampoo last night. And it does dry my hair out a little bit, but I did put leave-in conditioner in it and then it'll be fine after like today once I wash it again. I guess not today, but like tomorrow when I wash it. So yeah, don't worry about that. So the first time I go through and I straighten it and then I take it and then I go around and I curl it. Always curl away from your face. I cannot stress that enough. Curl away from your face. When you curl towards your face, it just looks bad and I can't even think of words right now. I'm just like not awake, but like please don't curl your hair towards your face. It's just not a cute look. Another thing is brush out your curls when you're done. I cannot stand when girls, especially who use a wand or a curling iron, do not brush out their curls. You know, it just looks so bad. I hate it. I absolutely hate it. And I can speak for probably 1,000 people that are like, yeah, that's pretty gross looking. It is. Don't get me wrong, everyone is beautiful, but please, brush out your curls. Cannot stress that enough. So with this, I kind of go for more of a natural curl thing. So like this, like it's a kind of a sloppier piece, but that is okay because there's gonna be a couple sloppy pieces and there's gonna be a couple really good pieces. But that's just how I like to do it, just to make it look a little bit more of a natural hair look. Now I'm going to speed through until I get to the top to show you guys like how I do the top layer, because I do it differently to make it like away from my face and things like that. So we're gonna zoom through this really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I did that part of my hair, and once I finish this piece of pizza, I'm going to do the top half. So for this, I kind of go for more of a middle part, but not middle part. So I kind of like go a little bit more towards the one side rather than the other to kind of give like a middle part look, but then, you know, give myself some more hair on one. I don't know. That's just how I'm gonna explain it because I can't explain things right now. So the front pieces, I normally take about this big of a part and then I just, you know, straighten down one. I just did it twice, but you know, whatever. And then I take it back and I do it down. Now I have more of a naturally curly hair, so I can do my front pieces first, but if your hair is not naturally curly, I would do it last, just so it holds a little bit better. Also, you will not see me be using hairspray because my hair is naturally curly. I don't usually need hairspray, so I try not to put hairspray in my hair unless I like desperately need it, and a cat just attacked my foot, so that piece did not curl. Okay, so I'm all done curling my hair. So now, while I do my makeup and stuff, I normally let my hair sit in the curls. So we're gonna do that while I do my makeup. So let's get started with that. Wow. So this is normally how I do my hair. We've been over this. It's not exactly how it normally looks, but that's because I used my purple shampoo last night. My purple shampoo kind of throws things off. Do remember that curling your hair, it is better to do it when your hair is dirty, as they say. So if you do shower the night before, you can put mousse in it or things like that to help curl your hair. But without further ado, let's start with makeup. This is my new holy grail. This is my favorite lotion in the entire world. I put it all over. It also helps me because I get bitten up by mosquitoes so bad during the summertime. This has helped me literally every single day. I don't even think I have bug bites anymore. But seriously, this stuff is awesome. It is okay, I'm not crying, I promise. I just had to put contact solution in my eye because my one contact was like not adjusting. Maybe. I think we'll be fine. I'm going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer today, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face. And then it needs about 30 seconds to sit in, so I'm gonna get the rest of my makeup ready while this is working into the skin. Alrighty, so we can get started on the face makeup now. I am using my Morphe Beauty Blender today, and as well I'm going to have the Jaclyn Hill brush right here. And then I'm going to be mixing Born This Way and the Milani Conceal and Perfect. I love mixing these two. This one is just a shade a little too dark for me. I know that it's summertime and I should be tan, but I'm not, because I do like mixing these. This one is super duper creamy and on the thicker side, and this one is just a balm full coverage foundation. So I do like to mix these two. This just kind of makes the color go down a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to conceal my brows. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape, and then I'm gonna conceal the rest of my face, but I'm gonna do my brows first. I'm a big kid now. To set my face with the Morphe setting spray really quickly before I move on to the rest of it. So now I'm going to go in with the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer, and I'm going to bronze my face up. One trick that I have learned, that bronzing your neck, you need to look forward. So I put my mirror in front of me and just look how you would normally look, and then you have a chin instead of an oak chin. Now I'm gonna warm up my face with some blush. I'm gonna use the Almar Cosmetics, the one that came in that BoxyCharm box that I had. So I actually mix all of these, tap it, and then you just go up like this. Add some to the nose. I do like to add the leftovers to the forehead to kind of warm it up a little bit. And a little bit on the chin. And there is my blush. Next I have highlighter, and I'm going to be using Milani, and then I'm going to be using the Artist Couture Summer Haze. I'm just going to use a little bit of this. I do find that it makes like a weird like shadow on my face, so I literally am going to be using the tiniest amount. So first I'm going to use Milani, and of course I'm going to use the Milani Make It Dewy and spray my brush. I just misted it a little bit, and then I just take what's in the leftover of the lid, so I swirl my brush around in that, tap it once, and then add it to the top of that. Then of course add a little bit to the nose right there. and right there, and then I'll add some to the forehead and the cupid's. Just to set my eyelids a little bit because they do get kind of greasy throughout the day, I'm gonna go into the James Charles palette and take this white color and then this M503 brush, and I'm just going to pat this onto the eyelids. Taking the same brush, I'm going to take his highlight sheet in here and just mist my brush really quick and then highlight my brow bone because I did forget to do that. Now I am going to curl my lashes and put on mascara before my false lashes. So while this dries, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna brush out my hair. So then it just leaves these cute little kind of natural wavy curls that I personally love. Okay, I'm gonna apply false lashes and I'll be right back. I have eyelash glue everywhere all over this eye, so that's great, it's fun. Perfect. So, while my eyelashes dry, I'm gonna go get changed and then hopefully I can fix this eye because, you know, I'll be back. Alrighty, you guys, I have my outfit on. I have these pants on and this tank top and then this cardigan, and then I have these shoes on. I am not going to tell you where I got my outfit from because I am doing a business casual outfit lookbook coming up, but as well as I have this necklace on and these earrings, and my makeup is done. So I am going to get on the road and get going. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye, guys.